I don't know about y'all, hunty, but I like to start my kicking time with a big glass of wine. So while I'm pouring it up, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my page. Alright, ting! So today, we are going to make ravioli. Yay! Such a simple recipe. You will need all-purpose flour, eggs, olive oil, and salt. Today I'm lazy, so I'm going to use my mixer and my dough hook so it can do all the work for me. Okay, I'm going to mix these eggs up a little bit. Not too much, just to get them together. Now I'm going to add the salt to my flour. I should have shifted it, but yeah, I'm lazy today. Just toss it around. Add the olive oil. Add the egg. So I decided to go grab my spatula. And now I'm adding it into the mixing bowl so the mixer can use its muscle power. Wow. You know, like one of my chefs used to say, work smarter, not harder. So as I was mixing this recipe, it looked a little dry, so I added a little water. That's what it looked like. After a while, it started to pull away from the bowl. That's just what I want. Now it's time to develop that gluten. For this, you need bread flour. And of course, I need my wine, darling. Ting! Put a little bread flour on the table because you have to knead. So this is the time you need that muscle, baby. Yeah. So I know you guys see me poke the dough a lot of times, but that's to see if the gluten's developed. Now this gluten's developed because it rised after I poked it. It's time to add the olive oil. Okay, after I rubbed it down with olive oil, we're going to use a little YouTube magic. Put it in the refrigerator for an hour. And there you have it. Time to roll. Voila. You can use any shape, size, whatever. I was making ravioli, so my filling was spinach, mushrooms, turkey, Parmesan cheese. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.